CBN, this is their main core response. Perhaps I think the way the digital platform is going, there may be need to register, to have an organization or an agency that will monitor solely this area, because they seriously, we have over 200 credit loan platform, and the regulatory bodies, we don't have the gap. There is a gap. We don't have the appropriate law to monitor, to guide these people. Perhaps maybe from CSC, NITDA, CBN, they don't need to come,
so a lot of this, I understand.
Really,
I think there is issue of synergy to ensure it happens. Take, for instance, if I happen to be a victim of such, my rights has been trampled upon.
Right.
Talking about this cyber bullying, where should I take my complaint to for such to be addressed?
Well, the people in charge of it is just basically CBN. And that's why I said CBN have a lot in their hands.
To handle.
Because if you ask me, their major job is what? Monetary policy and stability. Now, they are doing a lot of financial service, so there should be an agency that will take care of that, that will factor this digital platform. It's a very serious, perhaps if there is any bad thing that happens in digital platform, it does not affect only one person. It could affect a lot of, maybe 1 million persons so they need to tame this thing as soon as possible.
Okay, where is the place of Consumer Protection Agency?
All right, thank you. If you look at Consumer Protection Agency, their action is mostly reactive
rather than proactive.
So we need to be proactive, to have an agency in place to really tame all these people. Are they well registered? Where did they register? Who take care of, when they give people loan? If a conventional traditional banks give loan to a person, there is a way they get back to CBN and inform CBN. If this person defaults, there's a way they go back to CBN and say this person that we gave a loan has defaulted.
I think there's a unit, there's a need to an agency that recently came on board where people collect loans, bad loans are supposed to, the agency or the group is supposed to take care of retrieving some of these resources. Like, okay, for instance, you get to borrow money from one financial institution, you can't borrow from another because there is a central unit to show that you're actually indebted to a particular financial institution. Is that functional?
Well, I don't think so, because you know fintech is an evolving area. So we also need to be evolved in our way of tackle this. It's very key.
Okay, let's look at the positives. By 2024, digital banking consumers are expected to exceed 3.6 billion in Nigeria. Are we doing enough to accommodate